We have discussed about grid view. I hope most of you people got the output for that. Okay. So now I'm moving towards the next program. So in SQL Server, I will create on table. I hope you are able to see my screen now. Okay, good. So here I have two database. One is employee and one is student. What I will do, I will delete one of my table and I will create one more table. Where is it? Delete? Okay, here. Okay. Santosh, everyone is able to see, man. What about others? Wasim, Sagar. Are you guys able to see my screen now? Yes, Santosh. Please check one more time, Santosh, or else rejoin again. It's better option. Okay, Santosh, I will go slowly anyway, table creation. So meanwhile, you can rejoin so that that issue will be resolved for you. Okay, so now here in table, I will create one new table, right click on table, new. Okay, table. Okay, so now here what I will do, I will take two columns. One is username. So keep capital letter of user and me. Okay, what is the data type? I will just keep it as varchar. And other one is password. Okay, so for now in ASP.NET, what I will do, so just we'll try when the entered username matches with this username, then only we'll get the password. If both the passwords are equal, we'll move to next phase. That's what my plan to implement now. Okay, so now, sir, why, sir? Why can't we do all the things? Yes, we'll do remaining things in MVC, but this is just for idea. But anyway, if someone asks you for some system test or something, so then what will happen? You will implement one login page, and based upon the correct user credentials, it will display you some data. Okay, that's the reason I want to give one example for this. Okay, so once it is done, we'll go for one mini project on what is that? This ASP.NET. Okay, so what will happen? You will gain so much confidence on ASP.NET, and after that, what we will do? So we need to go for validations. Meanwhile, you people work on this mini project. I will finish the validation concept. Then what will happen? You will now you will do one more project with validations. Okay, then what will happen? Your confidence will gain for sure, and you will get some good experience. And so that's why I told you people, when you leave this session, you will almost equals to 2 to 3 years of experience, people. That's what I told. So I'm still stick to that point. Okay, so that's so but the thing is people needs to practice. Okay, without practice we cannot do anything. So uh I'm just giving a CMP again. Okay, now just refresh this one. That's it. So everyone getting outputs. Yesterday, how many tried that grid view? Just write, just comment there so that I will understand. How many did not got the output? How many got the output? Why? Because the ASP.NET is not required, but for your better career, I'm giving, so you can ask any of your friends who is learning .NET. I mean, will they are learning ASP.NET or not? Will their trainers and all explaining this ASP.NET or not? They will definitely tell you. So, so I'm just keeping some extra efforts because when you go for interviews or something, I don't want you guys to fail on system tests or something. So that's the reason I'm putting extra efforts and I'm investing some time on that, for that. But if you people are not practicing the ASP.NET related things and all, then what will happen? So all my efforts will be gone, wasted. That's the reason I'm asking. Okay, so people see here. So here, right click on it. See, for example, if you want to, if you want to, if you want to see the design here, then right click on it and edit top 200 rows. Similarly, for example, if you want to change, for example, you created the table, but you realized something went wrong with the table, then right click design. Now see, here you can change the data types and all, and you can simply save that one. Then what will happen? See, for example, when you're doing some database mismatch, but for some string username or something, you have given some wrong data type. Then you can right click on the table design. Okay. And if you want to insert the data in SQL Server, just click on it and edit top 200 rows. See, now we got it. So I will just enter 101 Naresh IT. Now tell me what is that query number? 1929. 18. Balaji, you are a big fan of Virat Kohli for sure. Okay. And 07 Dhoni. Hmm. Then, okay. Now tell me one more number, any number. That is a Okay, so finally we got this data. Okay. Okay, Bhaskar. Yes, done. So now, what is my target? So based upon my username, based upon my so if password, see, I will pass the username. Okay, if both username and password both are correct, then it should go to next page. That's what my target. Like simple, I will just keep welcome. Okay, so I don't want to write some difficult code or something simple. I will write like that. Okay, you can practice any program or different ways, and that in MVC also we will see like edit, update, delete, all those things, details related, everything will we are going to see. But here I don't want to waste that much time, but we'll do something. If you have some interest, you can do edit related things, edit, update related things. They are also very simple. So, and one more thing, if you have any questions, you can connect with me. So you can share the screenshots, or I'm getting error here, then I will help. Okay, fine. Hmm. Now come back to our Visual Studio. If anyone is going for interview something, uh, like if you need any assistance or something, message me or call me on my number. First message me, just ask me for call, then I will suggest the time. Okay. Okay. So people see here, what I need, one text box, two text box, two labels and one button. That's it. Okay. So here, uh, where is my text box? Okay. So here, login. Okay. So now I will create one more page. Okay. So in that second web form, simply I will write like welcome. Okay. So now when, so now double click on the button. Okay. I need to change something for this. Okay. Okay. Username equal to textbox one dot text, password equal to this one. Select password, capital P, right? From what is the database name? I don't remember. Capital E or small e? Small e. Okay. EMPLOYEE. Okay. And table name, create a table in database with column, username and password. So capital EMP. EMP. Okay. Where username equal to capital username. Okay, okay. This is fine. Select password. Okay. So this password and the value which we got from database, if both are same, then only then what will happen? Response dot redirect to what? Well, web from one dot ASPX. Okay. Or else we will just write like email ID credentials. Okay. This is what. So people see here what we wrote here, same create connection, the same code. So and after that SQL command we have write. So here what we wrote here, select. See, for example, so I will just try to execute the same query here. So here select password from EMP where user name equals to 101. See, we got it right. So similarly, the same thing I built here. Select password from table name where username equals to that username which we entered. Then what happened? So whatever the password value we entered, so whatever the password value we got from SQL Server, if that matches with whom? Text box 2. Okay, text box 2. Then what will happen? We are redirecting to the next page. Else what we are doing? Invalid credentials. For now, you don't need to think about else. Just think about if condition only. Okay, done. Just save this one and run the program and check the output. Okay, so again that 101 will keep. So NARESHIT. Okay, this is what I will just copy from here. Okay, click on login. See, we got it. Okay, this is what the login page related code. Okay, now first just note down. Yes, it will give error. Instead of text box 2 dash, uh, So I mean, it's better in coding when we are trying to write, you know, in real time. That is a good practice to keep string dot empty when you are trying to get the value from somewhere, or if you want to compare somewhere. Then what will happen? See, username is always text box one dot text only. So based on username, we are trying to retrieve the password from database. So initially, what is the password value? String dot empty. Then what we are doing here? So this is one way. Or so once string dot empty, once after connecting with the SQL server, then what will happen? The password value will be we'll get from where SQL server. And now you can ask me, sir, can we keep text box 2 dot text equal to some XYZ variable, and can we compare? Yes, we can do that. We can do like that also. Okay. Okay. So first design two web pages. Note down. Design two web pages. Web 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 form. The first web form design. This one. Okay. Now web form two design. Okay. Okay. Now double click on button and write the following code. Yes. Yes, so Harshini, tell me. See, here we used SQL execute scalar. So what is the purpose of execute scalar? To read the data, right? So, and by using execute scalar, we can read only one value. Okay. So that's the reason we used execute scalar. Okay, done this program. Can we move for that project? So done. Everyone done. Please confirm. Okay. So now I'm going for the project. So I will just tell what is my requirement. I will tell what is my requirement and we'll see how you people will go for it. Okay, I need four web pages. Page one, that is registration.aspx. So in that registration, what I need? First name, last name, username, gender, password, confirm password, email, phone number, age, languages known, country. So yes, any more fields? People want to suggest any more fields so that I will add here. Yes, no, please tell me. First, I will explain later. See, I don't know. So what you will do, you people can do. So this is what my requirement I'm giving you people. See, we have seen this is what text box. We have seen text box program, gender, radio button. We have seen radio button values. So confirm password, email related. Okay, city I will add. So language is known, checkbox, country drop down. All these values should save in database now. So we have seen programs individually. Now I'm giving you people this program. So I want output from you all. Okay, city and any more? Other number, no. Address, yes, very good. This one is address. Uh, City or address, anything is fine, but in place of city, we'll keep address. So this is what? Multi-line text box. First name and last name, these are what? Single line text box. Password anyway, password field. No, not required. State not required. I will, whatever we want, we'll keep that in address only. Okay. So if you want, you people can also add on your own, like few more fields. Okay. Now after registration got successful, it should redirect to next page 2, stating below registration successful. Click on login to check details. So here this login is what? Button. Okay. So now when he click on login, then you need to redirect to page 3. That is what login page. What you will have here? Username, password, login button. Just like we have done now. So if login successful, it should display. You need to go for one grid view. Okay, this is what. So any questions now? So are you guys fine with the requirement? See, one program will cover all the outputs, all the scenarios till now, whatever we have done in our ASP data. So what is phase 3, madam? Phase 3. See, when you click on login button, so there is no username password here. So where you will enter your username and password? In login page. That's the reason you will redirect to page 3, and in that page 3 you will have what? Username, password, and button. So same, this one, same. Okay, fine. More questions? Any more? So, Gopi, I just unmuted you. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll see then. Output. Sandhya. Sandhya. So that's why I unmuted you, Sandhya.
Sir, good morning,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. What is your doubt, Sandhya?
Sir, grid view should be empty or it should contain any data in it?
After your register, initially it will be empty only, but my suggestion, initially add, so after creating table, the first step, you need to create table here. So
Okay.
create database and table with some dummy okay dummy
Okay.
data done. Okay, Padmavati. Sir, why 2 pages instead of we can put one output label in page 1 and click login? It is gonna log in page. So see, Padmavati, you can keep 2 pages or 3 pages or 100 pages. Just for practice purpose, for better understanding, I just divided them into 2 pages or something. Okay, you can keep, after registration successful, you can keep a small message in the same page, and you can click on login. From there also you can do all these things. Okay. Yeah, now Gopi. Yeah, Gopi, tell me.
SQL కనెక్షన్ F1 F2 రెండింటికి ఇవ్వాలి సార్.
SQL, see, here we need to use the ADO.NET connection oriented first program, execute non-query. Okay.
ఓకే.
Second one. So here also, here you don't need any SQL connection. Okay. Again, here you need in phase 3. So this program, same program, whatever we implemented here, this one in phase, there also you need SQL connection. Okay.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay, so this grid view also you need SQL connection. Yesterday we have seen one program for
Yes,
that,
sir.
right? So if you people are able to achieve this program, so you people will have good experience, and all the programs whatever we discussed till now will be covered with this program. So this is your system test actually when you are going for interviews. Okay, fine. Okay, so any more questions anyone have? Geeta?
No, sir.
So are you clear with the requirement?
Yes, sir.
So Krishna,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
okay. Kumar,
Clear, sir.
okay. So we'll see the output then. Chandrabhushan, what we have to do with grid view? See what grid view is doing. Simply it will display the data, right? We don't need to do anything. So, madam,
Clear, sir.
okay. So how can I call your name?
Smear Dadima.
Okay. Sorry, I pronounced wrong sometime like that.
It's
Okay.
okay. You can call me Meera also, sir.
Okay. So Venkat Reddy. So are you clear with the requirement?
Yes, sir.
So then I'm waiting for all your outputs. How many will achieve this one? I want to see. Okay, so you can just note down. So now people tell me how many of you feel which is better. Now I'm asking C# or ASP.NET. So frankly, tell me answer this. Frankly answer me. C# or ASP.NET, which is better? Which you felt easy? So both are difficult, sir. ASP.NET. Kumar, what is that A? ASP. Garima, ASP.NET is both, sir, if you understood the concept. But something will definitely easy, right? Some edge case. ASP.NET. See, all the C# students, 6 to 7 batch, all are saying ASP.NET. Why you people did not understood this C#? Both are difficult, Balaji. Wow. Both have their own flavor. So the same question I will ask you people after 20 days when we move to MVC. We'll see C# ASP.NET MVC. So do you people know what will be? I know the answer. You people will tell MVC is easier than C# and ASP.NET. I don't know why. So this is what happened with my students, previous batch students. So in that ADO.NET and all, we have entity framework also. When we go for that program, sir, that is easier than this one. So I don't know what make difference and all, but when we are going for that, so when C#, when they were learning C#, that time they told like, so wait for 20 days. Trust me. What is row command? What is row command? Sorry, Dilip. I did not understood. Can you tell me? So I'm just unmuting you. Yeah, Dilip, now tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Dilip.
Yeah, sir. My friend told me that you learn a row command concept, and that's why I asked.
What in where? What is that row command? Where?
In row command means one button acts as two actions.
Okay. So we'll see that in MVC.
Okay.
So I was thinking like SQL row command, something you are asking.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Sujna. Yeah, you can mute yourself, please. So what is that, madam? What you are asking? Hi, sir. Please, can you share the C# material in WhatsApp group? Okay, I did not share that today. 100% trust me, I will share. Ajay, when we are going to discuss about MVC, sir, Ajay, maybe one more week. One more week on ASP.NET, mostly. So, see, all these things you definitely needs to have some idea on ASP.NET Ajay. So if we directly go into that MVC now, so again you will confuse what is this checkboxes and all, what is this page design and all. So without clearing your class 12, if you go to this BTech, then what will happen? So you cannot understand what is this vector, what is this scalar, what is this matrix, what is this trigonometry. So see, then what will happen? Your M1 will be gone. So M1 is still difficult if you clear your +2 and everything. So if you don't clear anything, then what will happen? It will be like, so without, see, if you did not treat this fifth, sixth, seventh class, and we are directly moving to ninth or 10th class, what will happen? You will feel so much difficulty. Agree with me? The same thing. So this is like basics. Santosh, like ASP.NET MVC, what is ASP.NET S? What is this? SIGNR. I'm not sure, Santosh. Signal R. Signal R, that is some concept only. So Hashini, I already shared, right? So Hashini, you don't have that book. Still people are not having book, ASP.NET. So, and one more question, how many of you are not there in the group? Please raise your hand. Who did not join? Anyone wants to join? And someone missed? ASP.NET we shared almost 15 days back, I think. I don't remember when we shared, but 10-15 days back we shared, I guess. So then everyone is present in that group. Yes, no. I mean, I need only those people who are not there in group. Why, madam? I shared long back. Okay, please message me. I will forward. Or can someone in the group just forward that ASP.NET book one more time? Maybe some part of today. So please just forward. That's it. So that everyone, if someone missed, they can get that. So I'm happy now. So people are responding. New people are also responding, and when I'm unmuting them, they're answering. So I'm happy for that. See, when people respond, when I'm asking questions, when people respond, then only the two-way communication, like between you and me, will be in good shape, and will feel So I will feel like, okay, these people are understanding something and they're putting their 100% effort. That's what I feel. Okay. So that's the reason I always ask you people to speak and ask the questions and all. Fine. So done. Okay. So now I will see how many people will share the screenshot. If you are feeling shy to share the screenshot, you can send me personally, no problem. I don't have any issues with that. And one more thing, so the people who are there in group, so if someone is misbehaving with you or someone, just inform me. I will just throw them out from the group. Okay. So you don't need to worry. So okay, fine. Any more questions? So I'm just fine then. So we'll see the outputs. I hope all the 44 now I can see. I think 59 in the group. I hope all the 59 means me and if we remove our admin Hari Prasad, then 57. I will see how many outputs I will get today. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.